Alright, this video is about a starting issue that I'm having with my 1989 Toyota 4Runner. There she is. It's basically, the issue that I'm having is it will not start every 10 times I try to start it, so it might start right now. So it started. There it goes. See? Basically get one click. I don't know if you can hear that very well, but I've gone through and checked pretty much everything. I took this apart, checked all of the connectors, or basically all of the wires connected to the key. I forget what that's called. I checked all those, all that's good. All of my wires to my starter are good. So basically the diagnosis that I've come up with is this. So this took me a little while to figure out, but this starter relay is just going bad every once in a while. So basically every time you unplug this connector and plug it back in, it starts and then it doesn't start. Sometimes it'll start multiple times and then just cut out. So the workaround that I've done is, if you can see this very well, but I just wired in a secondary relay to act for this, and I'll show you. Let's set this down real quick. Show you how it works. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull this off, and you're going to get your relay. You're gonna connect the power to the battery, which I have right here, and the other three, I've just done this with some male connectors, and you're gonna connect them to here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hook it up to your factory wiring harness just like this. So basically pin number 30, the blue one, goes to power. The black one, pin number 85, is going to go to either of these two thick black wires. Sorry, got a little goat over there. Pin number 85 is the black one, and it's going to go to either one of these top connectors. So either one of these solid black wires. Pin number 86, so the white one, is going to go to the black and red wire. And pin number 87, this yellow one, is going to go to the black wire with the white stripe. And this just basically is acting the same exact way as this factory relay, which is 30 years old. But yeah, so if you're having this weird no start issue that just clicks and everything else seems fine, you should try this little bypass, and I think that it is working great. So I'll show you guys it working. That's all hooked up right now. That is the correct way to hook it up. So here we go. as you every time. I have not had it not work yet. So that relay is a couple bucks on Amazon. It is way cheaper and way more affordable of a fix than trying to find a remanufactured one or a new one, which can cost, you know, basically 70 to like 150 bucks for a new one of these guys. So yeah, a couple dollars for this relay, and there you go. Also, I'm gonna be uploading some videos on how I did this 3.4 swap in my 89. So stay tuned for that. And I'll be showing you guys basically how I got everything running and set up on my rig. So have a good one and stay tuned.